NASA Caltech. The last thing the planets around the red dwarf star TRAPPIST-1 need is abundant sunshine. Active eruptions and flares from the star would wreak havoc on the rocky planets in orbit. But fortunately, the outer planets might be safe from this barrage of high-energy space weather. According to a new study in the Proceedings of the National Academy of the Sciences, the outer planets of the system could cling onto their atmospheres. This finding is despite previous studies showing that TRAPPIST-1 might be so active that it blows away planetary atmospheres. Advertisement. Continue reading below. The planetary system was announced as a three-planet system in 2016, with an early 2017 discovery bumping that number up to 7 total planets. They range from between Mars size to slightly larger than Earth, and at least 3 if not all 7 of those planets could be habitable under the right conditions. But TRAPPIST-1 is a red dwarf star. It's cooler, smaller, and more active than the Sun. Stellar flares can erupt out to millions of miles, which is bad news if your outermost planet is only 5.5 million miles away and each planet is about 250,000 miles away from each other at closest approach. The new results show that while all 7 planets could retain their atmosphere, the more likely scenario is that the outermost 2, 1 gram and 1 H, have the best odds and 1 E and 1 F have a weaker chance. Since 1 gram is within an Earth-like habitable zone, it could be the most promising candidate out of the 7 to hold on to an atmosphere, which gives it a better chance of having liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life. Further studies of the planet will be possible when the James Webb Space Telescope is active in 2019. It will be able to detect traces of the atmospheres of the planets, if there are any atmospheres, and provide a more concrete answer to whether or not they are in fact habitable worlds.